Good morning, everybody. Welcome to episode 145. And we are out of here. Out of here for the weekend. We're headed to, I think we're headed to Homosassa. I'm not 100% sure. I did not book it. I did not plan it. And I love that because I'm always booking and planning and all that fun stuff. So thank you to Brian and Christina for booking this, planning this, and taking care of all the details. And coming to get us here in a little bit. We're all headed out, riding with them. Excited to spend the weekend with them. Kind of excited to spend a motorcycle-free weekend. I don't get those maybe one a year. This is my one for this year. So we're gonna go explore, spend a little time in nature, get some fresh air, some cold water, all that fun stuff. And guess what? I'll still be doing my daily vlog, so you guys get to go along with us. Anywho, I'm on that mission now. 25 pounds is my goal by the end of the year to lose. So let's see if I can get that done. Mama Badger said she wanted to lose some weight too. I don't think she needs to, but whatever makes her happy, right? That's what it's all about. It's not about what other people think. It's about what makes you happy, what drives you, and what you want to accomplish. If you want to accomplish it, put it down, write it down, put it out in a video, post it on your Facebook. Do something that makes it official, where you can't say, well, I never intended to do that. Once you put it out in the public, then people are watching. Then that gives you motivation to get it done. People are watching me. I want to lose 25 pounds by December. Let's see if we can get it done. First, before I lose 25 pounds, I'm gonna go gain some coffee. We'll see you in a few. All right, we're on the road. First stop, it's like 2 hours in, just before the Skyway Bridge. The bathrooms just before you go over the Skyway. You can see the Skyway over there. Anyway, everybody's pottying. Brian we have their dog with us, Sage. I don't know if you guys have seen Sage before. You'll see her this weekend because she's traveling with us. But he took her potty somewhere over here, I'm guessing. There they are. There's Sage. Look at her, she's a big girl. Anyway, away we go. Alright, so we got to the hotel, then we came to eat. We ate at the crab plant. It's cash only, by the way. But anyway.
Thank you to Windroad.
Say that again?
Windroad.
Yeah, so she recommended this place. It's just a few minutes away from our hotel, and it's a whole like crab plant. Like, they were saying that they catch fresh every day. It comes into the processing, goes into the restaurant, and then they have a market over here as well where you can buy the crab. So, and now we're gonna go check out everything around here. We're right next to the water. We ate right on the water. Food was good, yes?
Yes.
Watch your step. We're gonna go over here and check out the water. Anyway, now we're gonna go find something else to do for the rest of the evening. Just hang out, chill. This is a motorcycle free weekend. I'm gonna try to avoid working as much as possible, although I can't totally avoid working. I got videos to do. Anyway, let's see what's next. All right, we found the ice cream shop. Ice cream. I'm all ice creaming up. We were over there. We're now over here. They made me swim over. Now I'm all wet. Anyway, we're gonna eat some ice cream, listen to some music, or some music. Just depends on which ear you want to hear from. All right, this is it, guys. This is what we're gonna call the end of the evening. We're all hanging out by the pool, get ready to jump in, and just relax a little bit. So I know, short, boring video today. There might be a lot of that this weekend, but we all need a break time from time, and I'm gonna take one. Look, Mama Badger's got her wine. Cheers. She's cheersing. She's got her a Kindle out. She's reading a book.
I got my Wyatt's Lemonade, if you guys know Wyatt's Lemonade from Sturgis, South Dakota.
There you go. There is your bike stuff for the day. That is from Sturgis. When we go to the rally, we always go to Wyatt's Lemonade and get a glass of lemonade and say hey. So there's your bike content for the day. All right, guys. That's it. We're going to call it. See you later.